Hello dear students, welcome to my study vlog. Kindly like, comment the video, subscribe to our channel and share to your friends. This is SSLC Social Science Multiple Choice Question Model Paper. Gate of European trade was Constantinople. Through these wars, English had made other European countries not to challenge them in India. Carnatic Wars. Who started civil service system in India? Lord Cornwallis. Hyder Ali died in this battle, Battle of Porto Nova. Where did Dayanand Saraswati started head office of Arya Samaj? Lahore. First War of India's independence held in the year 1857. Lord Lytton Vernacular Press Act passed to curb independence of press. Kheda and Champaran Satyagraha started by Gandhiji. Reorganization of States Commission President Fazal Ali. How many princely states were in India? 562. In India, Muhammad Ali and Shaukat Ali started Khilafat movement. Indian National Congress was founded by A.O. Hume. Inam Commission introduced because to take back gifted lands. Dear students, we have made more videos on our channel. Kindly go and watch them. The program implemented by Government of Karnataka for development of rural women is Stri Shakti. Article deals with foreign policy of India 51. Indo-China War held in year 1962. 1948 is an important year in history of UNO because on that day human rights were declared. UNO was established in the year October 24, 1945. Article tells that providing social justice and people welfare is the duty of government. 39. Human society is formed on natural inequalities. It is mentioned in the book Republic. A collection of people gathered in place and indulged in a temporary thinking, demands and emotional expression is called mob. Dowry deaths have been brought under the purview of Indian Criminal Procedure Code. Highest peak in world is Mount Everest. India's climate type is tropical monsoon. It is formed from sediment deposited by rivers, alluvial soil. Rosewood and mahogany trees are found in evergreen forest. Birthplace of river Ganga is Gangotri Glacier. Utilization of land for different purposes is called land utilization. Prime Minister Gram Sadak Yojana is implemented for this reason to convert mud road into metal road. First cotton industry started in 1854 at Mumbai. Wind blows spirally inwards towards the center of low pressure. It is associated with atmosphere. Cyclone. Mangrove forest Mangrove forest and other deep-rooted forests trees can be grown along the coastline to check impact of cyclonic winds. It refers to inundation of land by river water, flood. Southwest monsoon wind causes intensive coastal erosion along the west coast of India. Total value of all goods and services produced in a country during 1 year is called national income. Panchayat Raj came into existence in 1993. Recent development in banking system is banking services in post offices. Businessmen and traders usually open this account in bank, current bank account. Fees or stamp duty for consumer complaint, no fee. This is right statement concerned with case a file in consumer court. All of above. Kindly like the video, share with your friends, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much.